Welcome to Japanese Classroom. This lesson is about how to describe a location in Japanese. In this lesson, I'd like you to know how to say there are flowers on the desk, my cat is under the chair, I'll put the pen inside the drawer, and I do stretches in front of the mirror in Japanese. But in order to do that, you need to learn to name the location in Japanese first. What I mean is that all these English phrases like on the table, under the chair, inside the drawer, and in front of the mirror are all adverbial phrases, so you can use them in a sentence straight away. But in Japanese, you need to learn to say them in a noun form first, and then you need to choose and add the appropriate particle to connect that to the sentence. So you need to do it in 2 steps. First, let's have a look at the way to make a location phrase. In order to do that in Japanese, you need to use this pattern, base, no, direction word. So in case of on the desk, tsukue is the base, and on refers to the upper side of the desk, so ue is the direction word. In case of under the chair isu is the base, and shita is the direction word. In case of inside the drawer hikidashi is the base, and naka is the direction word. In case of in front of the mirror, kagami is the base, and mae is the direction word. And in this case, mae means the side closer to you. This differs when you put yourself at the base, so you need to be careful. So we now know each location noun phrase in Japanese. They are 机の上、椅子の下、引き出しの中、鏡の前, respectively. Now we need to choose the correct particle for each sentence. In order to choose the correct particle to use, we need to know what kind of place we are talking about in relation to the verb of the sentence. On the desk is where the flowers are, so that is the place of existence, and for that, the particle ni is used. Under the chair is also where my cat is, so again, it's the place of existence, so the particle is also ni. For putting the pen inside the drawer is where the pen is going, so it's a destination. So the particle ni is used. For the last one, in front of the mirror is where you exercise, so it's the place of action. Then the particle needs to be de. Okay then, let's start. There are some flowers on the desk. Would be 机の上に花があります. Please note that this sentence is starting with 机の上 to draw attention to the location first, and hana, flowers, come as a new information, so the particle ga is used. If you knew about the flowers, and if you are saying those flowers are on the desk, then you need to start the sentence with hana wa rather than the location, so hana wa 机の上にあります. My cat is under the chair is 私の猫は 椅子の下にいます。I'm talking about my cat, not any cat, so I need to start the sentence with 私の猫は with the topic marker は。On the other hand, if you are talking about any cat, then the English sentence will change to there is a cat under the chair and 椅子の下に猫がいます。The particle after 猫 changes to が。Let's move on. I will put a pen in the drawer. The inside of the drawer is the destination of the object you are moving, and action to put something in something is 入れます。So, the whole sentence is 引き出しの中にペンを入れます with the object marker を。Lastly, I'll do stretching in front of the mirror would be 鏡の前でストレッチします。鏡の前 is the location of action, so the particle used here is で not に。Let's recap today's lesson. First, in order to explain an exact location, we use the pattern of base, no, direction word. Secondly, the particle to use after the location phrase differs depending on how the phrase relates to the verb. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you like this lesson, please subscribe to my account and give a thumb up. Also, for more useful information, please visit EasyJapaneseE.com. また今度 See you next time!